After the Hajj, after performing Hajj in Mecca, do we have to pray to perform Salatul Eid or not?
In Mecca?
Yeah.
Not necessarily. You can go back to your respective countries and still have the Qurbani, Eid, etc. Because the Eid of Al-Hajj, after Hajj, has 3 days options for slaughtering your sacrifices. So I don't think it's necessary, because the Holy Quran also mentions this, that if you are in a hurry to leave back, you can cut it short and go back immediately. I know that's from
To cut Hajj,
the journey short up to the Hajj performance, and when the Hajj is performed over, you can return back to your country. And for that there are some conditions perhaps to keep some rosas or give some.
That is in different connection, that if they don't do that, then they will have to keep fast.
Do what?
They will find out.
We'll find out this now.
Yeah.
As far as I remember, definitely the Quran Kareem permits those who go for Hajj to return to their homes immediately after performing the Hajj. And I don't think after the Hajj there is any Eid ceremony held in Khana Kaaba either. No Eid ceremony. So the question is wrong in this sense. When there is no Eid there, only they offer sacrifices of the animals, so they can go back to their respective countries and offer the sacrifices there. But Eids in their countries would be over by that time.
I found this verse. It's a long verse. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. It's verse number 197 in Surah Al-Baqarah. وَأَتِمُّوا الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ فَإِنْ أُحْصِرْتُمْ فَمَا اسْتَيْسَرَ مِنَ الْهَدْيِ وَلَا تَهْلِكُوا رُؤُوسَكُمْ حَتَّى يَبْلُغَ الْهَدْيُ مَحِلَّهُ فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ مَرِيضًا أَوْ بِهِ أَذًى مِنْ رَأْسِهِ فَفِدْيَةٌ مِنْ صِيَامٍ أَوْ صَدَقَةٍ أَوْ نُسُكٍ فَإِذَا أَمِنْتُمْ فَمَنْ تَمَتَّعَ بِالْعُمْرَةِ إِلَى الْحَجِّ فَمَا اسْتَيْسَرَ مِنَ الْهَدْيِ فَمَنْ لَمْ يَجِدْ فَصِيَامُ ثَلَاثَةِ أَيَّامٍ فِي الْحَجِّ وَسَبْعَةٍ إِذَا رَجَعْتُمْ تِلْكَ عَشَرَةٌ كَامِلَةٌ ذَلِكَ لِمَنْ لَمْ يَكُنْ أَهْلُهُ حَاضِرِ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ.
But this is not the verse which speaks of immediate return. Where is it mentioned?
There's another verse, maybe this one is وَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ فِي أَيَّامٍ مَعْدُودَاتٍ فَمَنْ تَعَجَّلَ فِي يَوْمَيْنِ فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ وَمَنْ تَأَخَّرَ فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ لِمَنِ اتَّقَى وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
This is, but which yawman?
وَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ فِي أَيَّامٍ مَعْدُودَاتٍ is mentioned. فَإِذَا قَضَيْتُم مَنَاسِكَكُمْ فَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ كَذِكْرِكُمْ آبَاءَكُمْ وَأَشَدَّ ذِكْرًا.
After manasik Hajj are over?
Yeah.
Yes. Then?
فَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ كَذِكْرِكُمْ آبَاءَكُمْ وَأَشَدَّ ذِكْرًا فَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا وَمَا لَهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنْ خَلَاقٍ وَمِنْهُم مَن يَقُولُ رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار أولئك لهم نصيب مما كسبوا والله سريع الحساب واذكروا الله في أيام معدودات فمن تعجل في يومين فلا إثم عليه ومن تأخر فلا إثم عليه لمن اتقى.
What does the Quran mean by referring to yawman? Which yawman? Because the Hajj ceremony takes about 10 days.
Yes. Yes, about that.
So, what does the Holy Quran mean by find out?
Yes, I will. From the commentary.
See, huh?
Yeah.
From commentary. Anyways, this is my understanding that anybody after the performance of Hajj, as is mentioned in the Holy Quran, can make haste to go, to return to his country. And secondly, the Eid is not celebrated in Mecca anyway. You understand the point? You have been to Hajj yourself?
No, not.
Anybody else?
My parents are going.
Huh?
My parents are going for Hajj.
But as far as Eid is concerned, I never heard of any Eid being performed after Hajj there.
No.
Yes, they don't perform.
They don't?
Yes, it's not.
So the question was about Eid. So Eid is anyway finished. After he has sacrificed his animals, that is his Eid, that's all. So when he can return to his home as soon as he possibly can, he should, or he thinks it's necessary.